All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So, got the Oneplus Nord here, and I've been using the stock or the case that came in the box. And Tudia actually sent me over the merge series for the Oneplus Nord. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Although I do like the case that came in the box, this is definitely something it's an alternative for you. If you decide, hey, I don't want to use the case that comes in the box, I want something even more sturdy. There's plenty of cases out there, but Tudia has this one for you. So obviously you want to, depending on the color that you like, you'll pick the case that's going to match your device. So here is the back of the case. These Tudia merge cases come in different colors. We all know this. You got the slot for the mute switch, power button, and volume rocker obviously are covered. You can see here it's got that branding that it always has in the merge series, letting you know it's made or designed in the US and made in China. Ports and everything should be fine down here. One thing I do like about this one over the stock case, obviously, is there's no flap. I'm not a fan of the flaps on cases. I think I don't like that. So you have the proper cutouts there, and everything should be okay. The merge series is known for having lots of grip and being really sturdy. So this is something that you should take note of. It's not a bulky case. But it is going to feel a little bit thick, and it's actually a thin case, but it's going to feel really thick. And I guess I was kind of hesitant on what this case would look like, but it only shows a little bit of the blue color, so that's good. So either one of these cases will be fine. The switch here, mute switch, is nice and easy to access. It's really deep, so you will be able to access that with ease. Power button, nice and clicky. It's really good. Let's check the volume rocker. Yeah, that's pretty good. Feels good. It does have lay on the table design. Not as much protection for the lip of the device around the edges as the stock case that came in the box. But it does have drop protection all the way around, evenly spread about. So if you lay it down like this, you should get some good coverage. And then also, you've got this grip along the sides here. This is what this case is known for just having lots of grip when you're holding it in the hand. So real brief and to the point, this is a case review for the Tudia Merge for the Oneplus Nord, and I appreciate them sending this out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit Amazon or hit Tudia. You can search Amazon Tudia Merge Oneplus Nord, and you will find lots of cases for them. All right, take care.